A common practice is to fill utility cuts with standard cold patch and later return to cut out the cold patch and replace it with hot patch. This costly practice can be avoided by using Perma Patch in the first instance. The quality of the repair is superior to that of a cold patch-hot patch combination. Perma Patch is also cheaper and eliminates the need to close the patched area to traffic a second time. Upon completion of utility or water repairs, crews should replace the excavated dirt or add suitable fill material and pneumatically tamp this material in layers of 6 inches or 15.2 centimeters until this fill is within 6 inches of the base paving. New crusher run aggregate should then be placed in 3-inch or 7.62 centimeter layers with compaction following the placement of each lift. This should continue until the aggregate reaches the bottom of the base paving. Perma Patch should then be poured from the bag and placed in 3-inch or 7.62 centimeter layers. Each layer should be compacted with a pneumatic ball-type tamper. These lifts of Perma Patch should be brought up to the surface of the surrounding paving. A final layer of Perma Patch is then brought to 1-inch or 1.27 to 2.54 centimeters above the surrounding paving and tamped with a portable vibratory plate compactor. The seal between the surrounding existing paving and Perma Patch is tight and remains in place for the life of the surrounding pavement. No further sealing at the edges is required. The repaired area can be immediately opened to traffic. Here too, surface hardening can be accelerated by applying a light dusting of dry Portland cement. The area restored with Perma Patch provides a smooth, even riding surface. The repaired patch is smaller than usual because there is no need to cut back the surrounding area. If due to improper compaction or unforeseen conditions a depression develops, a repair can be made rapidly by adding extra Perma Patch to the surface of the depressed area without the need for further excavation or cutting of the surface course.